What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sieben, and in today's video we're going to be doing part one of a multi-part series for new Amazon sellers. So I decided to create this series in order to break down all of the necessary steps that a brand new seller would need in order to get started in the Amazon FBA wholesale category. So this will range all the way from getting comfortable with Seller Central, setting yourself up as an entity and organization, suppliers, products, sending product into Amazon. We're gonna go A to Z throughout this multi-part series, and I'm gonna give you all of the secrets that I know and that I use in my own Amazon business. Let's get into it. All right guys, so as I mentioned, this is going to be a multi-part series, and this is installment one in the series on how to sell on Amazon FBA. If you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button. That helps out the channel immensely and helps us get this out to the most amount of people possible. We're talking intro. This is probably going to be one of the shortest of the multi-part series. Basically, what I want this video to be is a nice little introduction and a explanation of what Amazon FBA wholesale is and who this is exactly for. As you would know from tons of my previous videos, I can link you guys up top to some of my other videos where I break down wholesale, the different FBA models and how they work. But this is actually more so what wholesale is and what it can do for you when actually practically talking about starting up the account. So when you are going out and looking for suppliers and placing orders and bringing in inventory to Amazon, you're first going to need to start with an Amazon account. So this is extremely simple. You're just going to go onto Google. Just Google Amz.com or .ca or whichever country you are in, the domain seller account. So you're going to go on there. You're going to want to create a pro level account. This is going to be $39.99 a month depending on your country. This allows you to sell as many products on the platform as you want. This is the only Amazon fee that's a monthly reoccurring fee regardless of how many items you pay for. So it's very inexpensive to get started, and you can, keep this going, and this is going to be the only cost, fixed, hard, reoccurring monthly cost that you have that Amazon charges. So go on there, create a pro account, and then from there you're going to want to get into your back end. You're also going to want to go and create a corporation or an LLC. If you are in the US, if you're in Canada, go and do a corporation. Set yourself up from a legal and tax perspective. You're gonna wanna cover yourself in case anything is to happen, and as well take advantage of all of the tax breaks and write-offs that you can get by making yourself an entity. I will have some other videos that I can link you to as well that break down the different types of entities and kind of what's best for you and going in your business so you can make that decision. And then once you have an Amazon account and you have an entity set up, you're essentially going to go out and you're going to start wanting to look for suppliers. First, you're going to look for suppliers, then you're going to look through products, and then you're going to find a product, order a product, send it in, sell the product, repeat the process. It's a very simple process, but it is not an easy process. And this is why I'm going to be utilizing this multi-part series in order to break down the necessary steps in order to exactly replicate the roadmap and the path that I took, and in order to be successful with Amazon FBA wholesale. All right guys, like I said, this one is short and sweet. Just gave you the very basics. This is very easy information to find out. If you need help, just let me know down in the comment section. I answer all my comments. I will make sure to get you guys a personalized and individualized response as well. Do not forget to give this a big thumbs up. Also, please subscribe, hit the little notification bell. That will let you guys know every single time I put out a new video, and you're gonna wanna stay tuned for this multi-part series because I will be giving you all of the secrets, and I'm going to break down exactly how you can start an Amazon FBA wholesale business. I hope you have a fantastic day and take care.